Hello, my friends. Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life. And before I even say anything, look at the samples that I have. So our design team is supposed to make a certain amount of samples, and usually I have one or two for each item. They went nuts. They went crazy over this month's release. Like, I'm not even showing you all of them because I showed some of you them in the other video. There are so many. And that warms my heart because that means this is a home run. That means this club is a home run. So if you remember, yes, excuse me, Unicorn Sparkles, that is our club stamp and die hard set, right? But if you know me at all, you know I can never stop at just this, right? I always have way too much going on in this brain. I don't know if that's good or bad, but so I have more. I have more unicorns. So this is the club. Top is club. Bottom is the add-on collection. And look at how cute you have. Oh, this guy's upside down. Had to fit him on there. So he's upside down. He's sitting down. Then these two are holding hearts, which is so dang cute, right? We have the words, a unicorn hello. You make life sparkle and shine. Our friendship is pure magic. And we have some extra hearts in there. Now, yes, of course, my loves, there are dies that match, right? Why would we do it without dies? Then we have, dun, 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 add-on stamps. Now, I mean, these are unicorn sayings. Here's a little, I gotta read it this way. Here's a little unicorn cheer to let you know I hold you dear. Perfect for the inside. Here's another one. Cupcakes, candles, glitter too. A day of sparkle just for you. Sprinkling joy your way. A unicorn hug from me to you. Sending some sparkles and sunshine your way to brighten your heart and color your day. So cute. Wishing you a day full of sparkle and fun. And always be yourself unless you can be a unicorn. And there's a mini unicorn on there. Perfect for the back of your cards. So that is an add-on set. Also in the collection is that magical background, and I believe I even called it magical background because let me just show you that magical background. Look at how gorgeous it is. Make sure you incorporate the hologram cardstock or even the glitter cardstock. Now, perfect for snowmen as well. Don't think it's just for unicorns. It's perfect for anything, right? Look how cute that is in the hologram and in the glitter. Now, last but not least, and probably one of the most important are the unicorn stencils. Now, this was a pain in the you-know-what to design because all of the extra pieces, all of the hair from the manes and all of the colors on the corn itself, there are 3 sheets of stencils. And let me just tell you, luckily, I have them etch the stamp image so you can line it up perfectly. And those unicorns are going to be, and the hearts that they're hugging, amazing, amazing. So if you're anything like me, and yes, I love to stamp. I could stamp and it does both. It does both stamp sets. I could stamp every single day, but I have one problem. I have all the awesome, gorgeous pens, right? I have all the awesome pens. But sometimes I want to go a little faster. Sometimes I want to be a little easier. Sometimes I just want to get it done and have it look amazing. That's where your stencils are going to come in because you're going to grab some ink, you're going to grab a couple brushes, and done. Done. You could probably color, we should have a race. You could probably color like 3 or 4 in the same amount of time with stencils, 3 or 4 as the same amount of time as a pen set. So just saying, stencils are important, but again, very, very limited. Now, let's jump into this massive stack of cards that I have. I've already shown you these 2, but I want to make sure you see those again. Look how awesome that is with snowmen also, right? Not just a unicorn. Now, this is a sneak peek. I know you're going to love it, but look at this gorgeous swirl. This is the swish border. I'm sorry, the swish card base. And you're going to see something in there that you're really going to want, but that's a sneak peek. But look at how cute those unicorns are. Aren't they just the most adorable little guys you've ever seen? Now, here's a cute little one just sitting there waiting for some love. Waiting for some love. Almost looks like Honey Bear, just waiting for love. Just need some loving. Here's another one. Remember, the rule is now, Die cut and glue, that's all you need to do. And maybe add a little stenciling. Who did this? Sheila, look at that background. Look at that cloud background. That's one of our stencils. Look at how gorgeous these cute little unicorns are. I absolutely love how adorable those are. Look at these two. They're holding the hearts together. Isn't that so cute? Here's another one. Ooh, add some glitter pens on there. Look at how gorgeous those are. So much fun. Okay, are you ready for a pyramid of unicorns? Have you ever even heard of a pyramid of unicorns? Well, now you have. Look at that. Using our masket paper, you can create these amazing designs. Look at how gorgeous that is. They're all together. It's like one big family. I just love it. I love it, love it, love it. Oh, now, hello. Who did this one? Cheryl. Amazing. I love how she added our heart balloon adore with those unicorns. Is that just the sweetest little thing you ever saw in your life? I love it. Ooh, what's this? Are you ready? Get set. Let's open this up. Look at that. It's our simple stand-up card, but look at how cute that is. So on the simple stand-up card, you can have anything you want on the front, which is really handy, right? Oh, here's a shaker. Oh, here's a shaker. Look at this. Love this. This is our mini slimline double heart folded, but look at how cute that is. Isn't that sweet? Make them look like clouds. Here's, oh, look at our doily. Sparkle more. I love that. This is the heart doily folded. Isn't that gorgeous? I just love it. I love it, love it. Now, here we go. Oh, let's add some cupcakes, because if you're going to have a unicorn, you might as well have a cupcake, right? Look at how yummy that looks. I love it. There's our magical background in the background. I love it so much. And look at how fun this is. These two little guys. They're two little girls. They're just the cutest little thing. If you have any little children, any little girls in your life, the unicorns are going to be their most favorite, right? Out of all of them in the world. But any day, every day, right? These are for anyone. These will work for anyone. So my friends, if you're in the club, you know the deal. You're automatically getting 15 to 20% off these items. But can I let you in on a little secret? The first 24 hours or until sold out that these items from this collection are on the website, they're on flash sale. Now, why do we do that? Because I love you, and the early bird gets the worm, so the early bird gets the discounts. You might as well go check them out. Go get in on that flash sale because they are amazing. And if you're a club member, go check out that bundle, because guess what, my loves? Can you even believe this? You save even more. It's ridiculous. It's like I'm giving them to you for free. Stamp and Die Hard Club members, I also need to mention there is a special postcard in your shipment in this month that you're definitely going to want to get out ASAP, because it has a special little code on it just for you that you're definitely going to want to see. Go check out your envelope because it's going to be in there free. So go check them out, stampsoflife.com. I'll see you there. Bye-bye. Thanks so much for watching this video. You know what? If you would like to see more inspiration, I need you to click that little button there. If you want to visit our website, click right here. And if you want to subscribe to our YouTube channel, make sure you click right here because you know what? You're not going to want to miss a thing. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.